Okay, let's compute the fuel expenses by hand, at least in the one car. As you take the first car, we suppose always you travel 75 miles in city, and you divide it by the rate of the city, is 23 miles per gallon, plus in highway the car travel 200 miles divided by 40 gets the rate in mile per gallon, and this give me the answer, the amount of gallon. Okay, in the calculator you have, for example, clear 75 divided by 23 plus 200 divided by 40, and the answer is 8.26. That's 8.26 gallons per week. In order to find a monthly, you multiply 8.26 times 4. Is times 4 is 33.04 gallons per month. Okay. If you want to find the amount of tank, you divide this divided by the capacity of the tank, is 20 miles. Okay, this is this divided by 20 is 1.65. As you round up, this is the amount of time. Basically, you have to refill the tank 2 times. So 2 tanks per month. Okay, it's equivalent to say 2 times 20, 40 gallons per month. In order to don't work it with the decimal, no, directly 40 gallons. And the price of the 40 mile or gallon is 40 multiplied by $3.53, and the cost is clear, 40 times 3.53 is 141 and 20 cents. This is by the first card. So using Excel, we drag this equation for all the cars. Okay, the formula to compute the gasoline is a little bit complicated. You click here on the first card, you press equal sign, open parenthesis, you put the function round up, double parenthesis, click H9, H9 is this, 75 miles, and you put absolute reference. After that, divided by D2. D2 is 23 for the first car, okay, the mile per gallon in city, plus I9 is the 200 miles divided by E2, okay, the mile per hour in highway, close the parenthesis, multiplication by 4 in order to find monthly, this is weekly. And now divided by the capacity of the tank around, comma 0 means to the whole number, no decimal. Multiply the whole thing by C2, which is the capacity again, in order to find the total gallon, and multiply by the price of the gasoline, which is K8. And you get this answer. Okay, now you drag drag this equation and we get the price of the other car. Okay, perfect. Now, okay, let me delete this part. Delete and delete. Okay, for finding the total price included, you put equal sign, you put it this money, okay, the monthly payment for the car plus the price of gasoline. Okay, it's 822 and 32 cents, and you drag this formula. Likewise, another formula for the 5 year is the same. This is the loan plus the gasoline again. Now you drag this information. Okay, finally 6 years equal this monthly plus gasoline. It's the same. The gasoline is the same. Okay, and you drag this. Okay, good, ready. Okay, let's do in the graph, the bar graph. You select insert, and you select the column, and you select either. I select this graph. And this is a graph to compare the price. Okay, in 3 categories: 5, 4, 5, and 6 years. And likewise, let me delete this graph. You select again this data and insert column graph again, same graph. And this is a graph to help me to compare, for example, the interest. And you can compare what is the best option, no? Okay, the elegant graph I did before is this. Okay, this is the first represent the payment, the monthly payment. In this case, for blue a 4 year, red a 5, and green a 6. And these represent the interest. So you analyze, you try to draw your own conclusion, what is the best choice in our case.